everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I hope you guys are sure enjoying your summer. It's getting pretty hot around here. Nice, beautiful weather out today. So I wanted to come over here and take a look at this. I saw this earlier in the week and va-va-voom, this baby is smoking hot. I love what we're doing here. We're doing some new creative things with the end elevations of these homes. And this is going to be a 16 by 76. I know I put this home on the channel a lot because it is our most popular single wide. So let's talk about some things on the outside here. We just saw a video on this where we did a little bit of a bump out, but we just took and did some different colors on the outside. But here we actually added some vertical batt in here, and we also have a lineal trim. I can tell you right now that this window is enlarged. Normally this is a 30 by 61. I'm actually standing outside of bedroom 3 right now. Let's just kind of take a look down the side. We've got an upgraded Wedgewood color. Wedgewood, it's a bluish color. In the bright sunlight, it almost looks like a sky blue, but when it gets a little cloudy, it gets a little darker. So we've got both doors on the same side. So that tells me we've got a reverse aisle right away. And we've got a Craftsman door here. That's the door with the windows. What else we got going on? I can tell we've added a window there in the dining right beside the door, and we put a little 6-foot dormer over this door right here, also another Craftsman door. So if I run back a little bit, we've got doors on both sides, and they're both Craftsman doors. So looking really modern here. I'm loving it. Let's go inside and see what we have going on. All right. This is a drywall home. That's the first thing we're going to notice. And I know we have a package in here because we're going to see the cabinet cove. And anytime we see that cove over the windows, in most cases, we've got a package. Mini blinds in the window. We've got a ceiling fan here ready to go. But the most impressive part of this home is, of course, the drywall. Now, I'm standing in the hallway, looking towards the kitchen, towards the living area. So here we've got the living area, which is a nice size. Perfect TV wall over there, entertainment wall. And coming into the kitchen, the signature move of the Caborn is this cabinetry right around the refrigerator. So this customer has also taken the cabinets all the way to the ceiling, 42 inches. We've got a bronzite on the countertop with crescent edging, so we've got the rounded edges here. Stainless steel appliances, and we got them all, so this is a whole package. Microwave, gas range, dishwasher, side by side, that's a 21.2 cubic foot with ice and water in the door. We did the farm sink here, another beautiful home made by Champion Homes. And I'm loving this backsplash. So we've got a full wall right here along the range wall. This is in a pewter color, that's the name of the color. Black cabinet handles, bank of drawer here's. They've also added the legs to the island. That's an option. It doesn't come with it, but you can always add those legs. It gives it a nice cosmetic look. Doesn't really take away much from the island. So if you're looking to have a modern looking home, do those little tiny upgrades. It'll make a big difference. All right, here's where I was talking about. We added a second window there. We also did it over here, another window there. Some people enlarge the windows in this home, and some people add the windows. It just kind of depends on what your view is going to be on either side of the home. So thunder on the floor. Coming into the primary bedroom, one of the favorite things of this home is this section right here. Everybody has a dresser that's going to fit in there, and if you don't, then most people would get one. We also do a built-in if you wanted us to. Coming into the closets, we've got shirt and skirt racks. It's always tough for me to say. So we've got the normal racks that come with it, and then an optional second set of racks. You can do that, about 116 bucks to add those, and I highly recommend that. Perimeter heat, we all know what that is. That means we're gonna have these registers up against the wall. And another great feature of this home, the spacious bathroom. Easily get 2 sinks in there, and I just love this Tri-View medicine cabinet. Hey guys, it just, lots of storage. Let's open it up and see. Lots of storage in there. So if you're a girly girl like me, we've got hair products out the wazoo. So even with all this extra storage, I would definitely need that medicine cabinet. 30 by 36 window, that's gonna let some fresh air in. Now we do have lighted bath fans, don't get me wrong. If you don't want any windows and you don't want to take the chance of anybody seeing in, I guess that would be a thing, I don't know, then you don't have to do that. But I think it's a great addition. Here is a 30 by 60 agile shower. So this is a fiberglass shroud and looks really nice. It's got a nice marbly look with the barn style hardware up here. So this has a very smooth transition. Now it's all taped up so I can't show you, but I have a show home out there that has it. I'm sure we've seen it sometime. Here is an extra linen pantry. So I'd have that baby full too. Promise you that. Coming back to the other end of the home, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. About 1,153 square feet. It's the largest we make, 16 by 76. We'll stop, say hi to the furnace. Here's your electrical panel. Here we go, bedroom 2. Whip it around, laundry area. Gonna be a gas dryer there. Here's bath 2. I always love when they put the little transom window up there because you guys can see there's no electricity on here. So just having that natural light in, oh, changes everything. All right, here's another medicine cabinet. This must be a kid's bathroom. Here is the final bedroom, bedroom 3. And this bedroom is a little more spacious than the other one, but check this out. I'm gonna sit here. This is, remember the bump out that we saw when we first started looking here? This is what happens when you bump out. You get an extra large windowsill. And they continued on with the shirt and skirt racks in the closet. So what a great idea. You need a little extra storage? We got you. You need drywall? We got you. Anything that you need, we're gonna do our best to make it happen. So here we go. This is the Caborn. I hope you all are enjoying your summer because I sure am. I hope to see you soon. And as always, thanks for watching.